Hello, and welcome to 12-Minute Meditation, a weekly podcast from Mindful that offers mindfulness meditations backed by neuroscience. Research shows that just 12 minutes of meditation a day can yield benefits like increased attention, focus, creativity, calm, resilience, and compassion. So on this podcast, we invite you to explore 12-minute guided meditations from today's leading mindfulness experts. I'm Siri Myram, editor at Mindful. When we talk about attention, we often use active and extractive verbs: pay, give, court, leverage. In mindfulness, attention isn't a commodity to be used. It's a gift to be nurtured. What might it feel like to rest our attention? This week, teacher Sharon Salzberg offers a guided meditation that's down to earth and deeply restorative as we practice holding our awareness with the lightest touch possible. Sharon Salzberg is a meditation teacher and New York Times bestselling author. She is the co-founder of the Insight Meditation Society and has played a crucial role in bringing Asian meditation practices to the West. Ready to practice? Here's Sharon Salzberg.
Hi, this is Sharon. In this meditation, you can sit comfortably or lie down. Close your eyes, or if you're keeping them open, just find a spot in front of you to rest your gaze. Let it go. And center your attention on the feeling of the in and out breath. At the nostrils, at the chest, or at the abdomen. Just the normal, natural breath. When I become silent, that's the signal for you to put into practice what I've just suggested. And as you feel the sensations of the breath, you can make a very quiet mental notation of breath. Breath with the in-breath. And then again with the out-breath. Maybe it's once or maybe it's twice that you silently repeat the word breath. As you breathe in, breath. As you breathe out, breath. When a thought or a feeling arises that's strong enough to take your attention away from the breath, simply note it silently as not breath. It's not the breath, and you can recognize it in just that way. So we have breath, and we have not breath. It doesn't matter if it's the most beautiful thought in the world, or the most terrible thought in the world, the one you would never want to disclose to anybody else. It's simply not the breath. You don't have to judge yourself. You don't have to get lost in a thought or elaborate it. You recognize it's simply not the breath. Very gently let go and bring your attention back to the feeling of the breath. We have breath and not breath. Some of your thoughts or feelings may be tender, caring. Some might seem cruel or hurtful, but they're not the breath. You can see them, recognize them, let them go, and bring our attention back to the feeling of the breath. These thoughts and feelings are like clouds moving through the sky. Some are very light and fluffy looking, very inviting. Some are quite ominous and threatening, but they're all not the breath. We just let them go. Our habitual tendency is to grab onto a thought or a feeling, to build an entire world around it, or push it away, struggle against it. Here we stay even, balanced, calm. We simply recognize it's not the breath. Very gently, we let it go. We bring our attention back, one breath at a time. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes or lift your gaze, and we'll end the meditation.
Thank you for joining us for this episode of 12-Minute Meditation from Mindful. I hope you enjoyed practicing with us today. You can access dozens of articles and guided practices through our free app at mindful.org/app. And if you'd like to explore additional related content and meditations on this week's theme, check the show notes for links.